8 minus 2 parenthesis 3 plus 7. 8 minus 2 will give us 6. Then we have 6 minus 3 plus 7. Now we are going to work with our parentheses. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Then we have 6 times 10. 6 times 10 is equals to 60. 60 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal parity, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. We are going to work with our parentheses first, which is 3 plus 7, because it comes first. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Then we have 8 minus 2 times 10. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 10 will give us 20. Then we have 8 minus 20. 8 minus 20 will give us a negative 12. Negative 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.